Hi, what's up, Vechain holder? So welcome to another important video about Vechain coin, my friends. Today I have discussed about the very bad dump, as you can see here on the screen, and definitely, my friend, what can in upcoming time there is a pump. Absolutely, my friend, everything with details I am going to discuss. We will need to predicate this coin. We will need, my friends, to do a technical analysis to pupils or understand, my friends, better to what's going on and what can they do next now. So definitely, my friend, that's clear to after a dump every coin will pump, but absolutely, my friend, we will need, my friends, to do a technical analysis and what expert says about VChain move. So my brother, if we check out just in only the last 1 month chart, this is very important, but kindly please subscribe our YouTube channel if you are new my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel. As you can see here, my friend, this time the VChain price is minus 32.99%, fails down 0.15 to, you can see here, my friend, 0.08. It's a very bad dump, my friend, in the price. So why they were fails down like that? First reason, my friend, that which I found is clear, my friend. As you can see here, especially at the end of month, you can see here 23 August to, my friend, you can see here, just only check out here now, September 4. Then that's mean to this is the end of a month, my friend. This is the end of August, so you can see here the price will pump up, but in the start of month, as you can see here, this time they were fails down. That's all month they were fails down. So that's clear, my friends. I am 100% sure, my friends, to at the end last 10 days of every month, my friend, every coin will pump up. So I hope, my friends, to upcoming days this price will be double now and they will give you a very good profit. So kindly holder, if you want to get a profit now, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.